This evening we have a wonderful event to let the general public know, as well as our students, about the most recent additions in the college's green technology and education activities. So the Center for Green Living and Professional Development Training is an opportunity to bring all of those aspects of credit and non-credit programs together in one place as an information session, so that our friends in the community and our partners in government, as well as industry who are involved in sustainability and green learning, come together and share these ideas and information about careers to students and the general public. And today we have NYSERDA here, we have GoU University, which is our native plant center here on the campus, that's offering a certificate program in Eastern native plants. We have the Hilltop Hanover Environmental Center and Farm, which is located in Yorktown Heights, that's involved in a conservation program and its relationship about growing good foods and veggies and things of that sort. So it's a nice opportunity. In fact, our solar voltaic energy program right now is demonstrating their cool work. It's a training program for the future, and there's a nice group of students out there learning about how to use solar energy as a tool. So we're happy to be here, and the college is producing a large number of these kinds of activities going forward.